official first look of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 is here. We're about a month away from Samsung officially announcing the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6. However, Samsung seems to have accidentally shown off their designs, which look a lot like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Sharp-eyed Samsung fans noticed the designs of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 when the company mistakenly posted a marketing image on its website for Kazakhstan. As shown in the image, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 resembles the design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with sharp edges and less rounded corners. The image also references Galaxy AI, which is expected since previous models in the Galaxy S and Galaxy Z series have already been updated to One UI 6.1. The triple camera setup of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 also matches the design revealed by tipster Ice Universe last week. The phone also appears to feature a slot-shaped loudspeaker on the top, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Galaxy A55. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 features a large cover screen and a dual camera setup, just as anticipated. In my opinion, the S24 Ultra cameras look way more premium than the new Z Fold 6. I'm not a fan of the huge thick rings sticking out. According to the tipster Anthony, I hope the huge cameras on the Z Fold 6 mean better sensors. The difference in spacing is crazy between the Z Fold 5 and Z Fold 6. We can see the difference in these photos. What do you think about this new first official look of the Z Fold 6 and the Flip 6? Let me know in the comment section. Anthony also shared a live photo of the Z Fold 6 back. He said, more Galaxy Z Fold 6 dummy units show its possible back design. The cameras are very close to each other, and we also see a new square design. Reports suggest that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will boast an improved primary rear camera with a 50-megapixel sensor. Rumors indicate that the phone will retain a 3.4-inch OLED cover screen and a 6.7-inch internal foldable screen, while also sporting a slightly larger battery, likely around 4,000 mAh. Rumors suggest that both the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have foldable screens with a less noticeable crease. Leaks suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will draw design inspiration from rival foldable devices, and a recently surfaced photo seems to support this notion. Shared by the well-known leaker Ice Universe, the image offers a glimpse of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer screen. Reportedly, this screen is both wider and sharper compared to that of the Fold 5. Although the photo doesn't reveal extensive details, it does indicate that the cover display has become wider. According to one leak, the screen width will increase from 57mm to over 60mm, making it more comparable to the design of the OnePlus Open. Ice Universe has also mentioned that the phone will feature symmetrical bezels, though it's challenging to ascertain from the photo if these bezels will be slimmer. Ice Universe posted the photo on his Twitter account and says, "The next fold." This insight comes from a recently leaked image. Although only the top portion of the phone is visible, it doesn't reveal much detail. However, it does reinforce the notion that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will feature a flatter design with sharper edges and corners compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Additionally, the phone seems to sport a wider cover screen. This might be due to the photo's angle, but numerous hints suggest that Samsung is indeed opting for a slightly larger cover display on the next fold. The image appears to support this speculation. Another user posted the new and recently leaked photo of Ice Universe and says it's confirmed that Z Fold 6 will have a design like the OnePlus Open. Reliable tipster Ice Universe has shared the first full image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This image shows the front of the device and compares it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. It's clear that the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen, matching the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. In the image above, you can see the Galaxy Z Fold 5 on the left and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 on the right. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A Twitter user named Ellie has posted this new render of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, highlighting the changes compared to the Galaxy Fold 5. According to Ali, the differences between the Fold 6 and Fold 5 are subtle yet significant. The Fold 6 is a bit shorter and wider. The bezels are the same size, but the edges are squared off. Now let's talk about the hands-on and first look of the Z Fold 6. In this photo, we can see how the front screen of the Fold 6 looks like. Keep in mind that it's not an actual device. It's a dummy unit, according to the ex-user Ali. According to the Ali, apparently a Fold 6 dummy unit. Found on Korean forum, I don't know how accurate is this. Not just this, Ali posted two more photos. This time we have the live photos of Z Fold 6 dummy while the phone is unfolded. Ali said this appears to be the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The squared edges create a notable difference, and the slightly shorter but wider inner screen gives it a distinct look compared to the Fold 5. What do you think about this first live look of the Z Fold 6? I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments section. Rumors suggested that Samsung will use the same chip for all versions of the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Now we've got more proof that this is true. The international version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has appeared on Geekbench, showing it has the same hardware as the US version. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 for the USA, with the model number SMF956U, was benchmarked earlier this month. This was the first time the Galaxy Z Fold 6 appeared online, and its early benchmark results were impressive. Now, the international version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which Samsung will release in Europe and other countries, has appeared on the same online benchmark. This version has the model number SMF956B. The newly tested international version also has 12 gigs of RAM, just like the US version. This more or less confirms that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have at least 12 gigs of memory. One unusual thing about this new Geekbench entry for the SMF956B is the benchmark score. The international model scored considerably lower than the US version, around 500 points less in single-core tests and nearly 50% less in multi-core tests. Don't let this gap in benchmark scores confuse you. It's not uncommon for pre-release devices to show differences in scores, which is why we often say that benchmark scores, especially for unreleased phones, aren't very reliable. Many factors could have influenced these scores, and they don't necessarily reflect the performance of the Qualcomm chip. As Samsung prepares for the highly anticipated launch of its 6th-generation foldable devices, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, at Unpacked 2024 in July, new reports suggest that the event might surprise you with the pricing of these devices. With numerous speculations swirling around the much-hyped event, it's hard to pinpoint which predictions are most accurate, especially with conflicting news emerging frequently. However, the latest report appears to provide exclusive information specifically about the Galaxy Z series. TechManiacs, a Greek publication, claims to have detailed insights into the upcoming Unpacked event, asserting they know everything about it. While the publication is generally considered credible, the accuracy of this particular information remains uncertain. Nonetheless, it appears that the details could be revealing some significant plans from Samsung. Earlier reports suggested Samsung's major event would be on July 10th, but it now appears it will be on July 24th, likely due to their sponsorship of the Summer Olympics. Samsung might announce the devices on July 10th and release them on the 24th. A major update from a source indicates a price increase of $100 for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6, despite no significant hardware improvements and a 50-megapixel main camera for the Flip. The price hike is possibly due to the exclusive use of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in both devices. Contrary to earlier reports, there won't be a Fan Edition or any other foldable variant at Unpacked 2024. On a positive note, the Galaxy Ring, the first smart ring, might be launched at the event. Whether these claims are accurate or not remains to be seen. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.